Hello and Merry Christmas from Alabama Adventure and Splash Adventure. You know, Christmas is a time of joy, traditions, spending time with family. You know, here at Alabama Adventure we have lots of great rides, we have great food, we have amusement park and water park that's full of things for everybody. And we're continuing to grow every single year, adding different things and improving everything that around us. This year is no different. This year, we're adding something very special, a brand new water slide, and it's amazing.
That's right, Santa left us a huge gift, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Steve, go ahead and take off that wrapping paper for us. It looks like it's a huge family raft ride. 4 people in one tube with one thrilling plunge. This ride is massive. You can fit 6 1,800 square foot homes in the size of this slide. We're going to be pumping over 5,000 gallons per hour down the over 500 foot long slide. It's twice as long as Rocket Racer. And don't worry, you won't have to carry the huge 4-person tube up the almost 50 feet of stairs to get to the top. For the first time at Alabama Adventure, we're adding a conveyor belt that will actually carry that tube up for you. Now, you may be wondering what we're going to call this massive slide. And we're actually going to leave that up to you. So leave a comment with what you think this awesome new family raft ride should be called, and we're going to be voting on that name as a staff. Whoever wins and gets to name this slide is going to win 4 season passes for you and your family to come and enjoy the park all summer long. So leave your comment down below, and we can't wait to see you in 2024.